Get a photo. Here, ready? Do you want to make the walrus face with me? You take 2 fingers and you just stick them by your mouth like that.
Here, wait, I'll get one like this. Ready? 1, 2.
Awesome stuff. Oh, you got a seahorse. These live in the ocean, right? And they're special because you know how women give birth? Well, seahorses, males give birth. And then also, it says the name. It says the name is fun. And there's a little poem. See, bouncing around without much grace, to jump on your lap and lick your face. But watch him closely, he has no fears. He'll run so fast, he'll trip over his ears. There's a little poem.
I love this one.
What's his name?
Jolly.
Jolly. You got a bear. Okay, so we go back.
Oh, you just ruined my whole clip.